Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. Money. Who couldn't benefit from a little more of it? Whether you're saving for a down payment, planning a wedding, or attempting to pay off debt, will those student loans ever be forgiven? Or just saving money for a rainy day? A little extra cash can go a long way. Your day job may be able to help you pay for the necessities. A side hustle from home, on the other hand, is a game changer that will help your wallet while giving you the freedom you've always desired. So here are the best side hustles for making more money. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. What exactly is a side hustle? And how does one make money more through it? A side hustle is a way to supplement your income outside of your regular job. It enables you to earn more money, giving you the freedom to pursue your passions, buy things you need or want, and alleviate financial concerns. The truth is that most 9-to-5 jobs do not pay the bills. This is especially true if you are just starting out in your career. When you add up the costs of rent, food, bills, and transportation, you may find that you have very little left over. What's a pity? Worst of all, your financial growth is always limited. Maybe you get a couple $100 extra per year with a 1% salary increase on your $30,000. But is that really enough to live the life you have always wanted? Perhaps, but most likely not. So you start a side hustle to make a few hundred or $1,000 extra per month. Something that can help you make more money today, tomorrow, or in 5 years. Something that will serve as a backup source of income if you lose your job unexpectedly. Let us look at the best side jobs that will allow you to earn more money while working from home. First on the list is to become a physical trainer. Do you enjoy working out? Do you understand weight resistance training? Do you have a wealth of nutrition and exercise knowledge? Well, you can use your knowledge, experience, and skills to provide personalized training to people in person or online. If you prefer online lessons, you can also use your phone to broadcast lessons to a group of clients. Many people are willing to pay for the services of a personal trainer. Personal trainers typically earn around $70 per hour. If you already have a home gym, you probably won't need to make any additional purchases. Obtaining a nutritionist certificate can also assist you in providing better dietary and fitness advice to your clients. You can easily transition into freelancing if you have a background in graphic design. A wide range of businesses and individuals require artists to bring their visions to life. You can use your graphic design skills to make company logos, project posters, company cards, and story illustrations. And you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Freelance graphic designers earn an average hourly wage of $29 per hour. If you already own a graphic tablet or graphic editing software, you have all you need to begin. If you enjoy event planning, are highly organized, enjoy working with people, and work well under pressure, you should consider becoming an event planner. Part-time event planning can help you make a lot of money, especially if the events are scheduled on weekends. A social planner's hourly rate can range from $12 to $75 plus vendor commissions. Begin by offering to plan and organize a birthday party, a housewarming party, or a bridal shower. This is a simple way to improve your reputation and portfolio. The best part about this side project is that there is no initial investment required. All you need is a positive attitude and an attention to detail. Driving for Uber is one of the best paying side hustles you can start right now. The requirements to become an Uber driver are extremely simple. You can become an Uber driver if you have a smartphone with high-speed internet, a driver's license, and a car in good working order. Uber drivers in the United States earn an average of $19.43 per hour. Here are some pointers to help you become a great Uber driver. First, become acquainted with the Uber app and learn how to use it effectively. Second, maintain a positive outlook. Smile as you greet your passengers. If the rider appears friendly, inquire about their day. However, if the rider is not interested in speaking with you, it is best to remain silent. Third, add an aux cord, a charging cable, and any other accessories that will make the ride more comfortable and enjoyable for the rider. A 5-star rating is earned through excellent customer service. The higher your rating, the more rides you'll be chosen for. Have you ever been complimented on your photography skills? If so, photography could be a profitable side business for you to pursue right now. Understanding what makes a good picture and basic editing skills are essential for making this a profitable side project. Part-time photographers earn those $17.44 per hour, according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics. If you don't have one, you will need to invest in a proper kit in addition to buying a subscription for a photo editing software. Consider providing coverage for a friend's birthday party or wedding reception. Experiment with your photo editing software to learn its intricacies. Create a portfolio that you can share with potential clients online. Landscape and wildlife photography can also be done and sold on stock websites such as Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, or Etsy. You can also establish a reputation as an excellent pet photographer. You can generate leads by collaborating with bloggers and Instagram influencers. When they use your photos, they will give you credit, which can lead to more leads for you. Car washing and detailing is one of the most profitable and high-paying side hustles you can start right now. Here's why it's profitable. Auto detailing has a lower entry barrier than other side projects. This means you can start making money quickly. Clients who like your work are easy to keep. You can quickly establish a loyal customer base that will grow as a result of positive word of mouth. The average hourly wage for a car wash ranges between $8.75 and $20.21. Purchase some basic equipment, educate yourself on standard car detailing techniques, practice washing, polishing, and detailing your own car, and advertise to your friends and family to begin building a customer case. Your passion for baking or cooking can easily be turned into a side project or side hustle. This is especially true if you already bake on a regular basis. Part-time bakers earn an average hourly wage of $13.02 per hour. To begin, consider participating in school bake sales. Set up a stall at a local farmers market or festival to sell your baked goods. You can also provide a home-based pickup service and accept a limited number of orders per week. Furthermore, you can pay a local bakery to sell your cakes or brownies. Remember to do this before you start baking as a side hustle if you are serious about it. Develop a business plan, outline what you'll offer, at what price, how much it will cost you, and how you'll sell your products. Determine your recipes and costs. To begin, keep things simple. Choose a product that you know you can make well and that will sell well. Complete your recipes. Test your products until you are satisfied with the feedback from customers. Having a winning product makes it simple to achieve success. Take some great pictures of the baked goods. If you're not sure about your photography skills, enlist the assistance of your friends. Creating a Facebook or Twitter page is one of the simplest ways to establish an online presence. You can start an online business selling your products all over the world by using platforms like eBay, Big Cartel, Etsy, or Amazon. You can, for example, make and sell wedding cards, hand-dyed yarn, stickers, enamel pins, charms, and even clothing. Half of Amazon sellers earn between $1,000 and $25,000 per month. The best thing about this business model is that nearly all operations can be outsourced. Manufacturing and transportation, for example. You could, for example, commission a company to print your designs on a sticker, enamel pin, cap, or t-shirt. These businesses may even assist you with shipping. In addition to shipping, companies such as GSJJ Pins and Customer Sticker provides free design assistance. There are numerous companies with which you can collaborate to bring your dream products to life. There is no skill that can't be turned into a profitable product. Once you have decided on a skill, establish a price point and set up shop. If you enjoy creating art, you should think about selling it online. Amazon and Store Envy are two online platforms where you can sell art, both digital and traditional. Furthermore, creating a social media presence on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter to showcase your work is very simple. Making paintings on demand is also becoming a fairly large business all over the world. Many artists charge between $2,000 and $5,000 for a single piece. You can earn a comparable amount of money if you put time and effort into developing your artist brand. The majority of successful artists have their own websites where they share their work. It is very simple to create an online portfolio with Squarespace. They also interact with their followers on various platforms such as Instagram and Facebook. There are more advantages to picking up a side hustle than simply making more money. A good side hustle also adds value to your resume. A side hustle can help you learn transferable skills. You can, for example, learn customer service, deadline management, and leadership. You can also learn new technical skills that will help you transition into a new career. This is why including a side hustle on your resume can be extremely advantageous. It becomes an additional source of proof of the skills a recruiter seeks. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.